Yeah, I got this. Oh, I grabbed it up there!
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. And so Oculus partnered with me and sent me the brand new Oculus Quest to try out for the first time, and I am so excited. If you want to know more details about the Oculus Quest, make sure you click the link below. And one of the coolest things about Oculus Quest, it requires no PC, no wires, no limits. All-in-one VR, precision controllers, easy setup in any room, all these games. Let's get started. Come on, hurry up! Ooh, this is so light. Guys, take a look at that. It is so cool. Oh my God. These are the touch controls I've been hearing about. It's supposed to like transport you right into the game. So when I actually try out the thing, I'm gonna have the wrist straps on. You don't wear it without it. And what else do we got in here? They have a bracket to protect your glasses. Okay, so there's the charging cord. Gives you the charger. Nice. Okay, I see you. Comes with the AA batteries for the controllers, and comes with a book that I should read right now, but I'm not. You really should read it. And real quick, they sent me another accessory because obviously you want to take this out on the go. You should only do this indoors, but if you take it to a friend's house, you might need a nice little carrying case. So Oculus makes a really nice one. Let's just take a look real quick. So there's the case right there, and you have a little opening to put things in there. You put the Oculus Quest here, and you put the joysticks there. That's it. You could play standing or sitting in spaces big or small. And the Oculus features a Guardian safety system that's designed to help you avoid nearby objects while you're playing in game. You have sensors that are around the Oculus that will keep you safe. And I'm actually really curious about how that works. So what's it going to do for this room? It's going to sense this room and record it. But if I went somewhere else, it will also record that area. And you set all that up with the Oculus mobile app. I'll see you on the other side. Okay. Hey, 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 hey. Up, and up, and down, and down, and down. Hey! Oh! Oh! Hey! Oh! Hey! Hey! Here we go. Here we go. Oh! I messed up that one. Hey! This is fun, actually. Oh! Oh! I'm in the middle of the wall. I messed that one up. This is too easy. I say that and I miss. This is actually fun. I'm gonna work out here. Woo! Hey! Hey! Now look close there. I like the warning part stuff. Don't get too close. Yeah! Woo! Shabow! Robo Recall. Oh.
Sources are telling us that the malfunction may be spreading to Town 9s in other parts of the city. In response, RoboReady may be issuing
They're looking at me.
Okay. Rotate the thumbstick to set which way you will be facing.
Oh!
Previously recalled
I tore off his arm.
Anything with multiple white rings can be torn apart.
What is?
Excellent work. Always.
I am terrible. Get ready. Wait! Wait!
Welcome to the city center, Agent 24. RoboReady needs you to investigate the malfunctioning products.
Oh, okay. So I'm not supposed to shoot him. I'm supposed to take his head off. Oh!
Incoming.
I'm here.
What is going on? Where's my gun? Oh! It's on me! Yeah!
Make your way up the alley.
Yeah! Woo! Headshot! Hey! Yeah! Oh, slow motion! Oh, okay. Okay, they gave me some new ones. All right, guys, it's time for some super hot. Oh, hello. Grab a gun. Time moves when you move. Oh, that's right. Okay. Woo! Oh. Oh. Yeah. What is this cell phone? Well, it's telling me. Oh, a bullet's coming right at me. Oh. Where's my gun? Oh! I got shot. What am I supposed to do with this gun? Okay. Okay. I got a ninja star here. I gotta try to aim right at him. Yes! I got him in the head! Yeah! Oh, I grabbed it up there! Oh! Listen, this Oculus Quest, real talk, is awesome. This is my new VR for sure. Make sure you click the link below if you want to get more information on it. Oculus, thank you for partnering with me on this video. Shout out to my boy Taj. Thank you for doing what you're doing. I don't know, what did you do? You didn't do nothing.
I made sure you did.
Well, I was messing. Thanks, man. Thanks for producing. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, man.
All right, and guys, I will see you in the next video. Ooh, Creed to Glory. It's installed? Okay, real quick, guys.
I'm also here to get you out of VR. Come on.
Wait, there's one more.